You asked, how to divide 3431 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1143 remainder 2.